Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying ownership and intent. You must be the account holder or have explicit permission. Once done, collect the console serial, the Nintendo account email tied to parental controls, and proof of purchase. These are required for legitimate recovery. Make sure to note whether you need temporary access or a permanent setting change, because that affects the next steps. If a parent set the PIN, talk to them first. If you cannot contact them, prepare documentation for support. Next, follow the official recovery methods rather than attempting circumvention. Try the console's PIN recovery flow. Sometimes it provides a reset code after several failed attempts. If the switch is linked to the Parental Controls app, sign in with the linked Nintendo account to change settings. If those options fail, contact Nintendo support with the console serial and proof of purchase. Explain ownership and request a legitimate reset. These steps protect accounts and respect family boundaries. Finally, apply the reset or account changes provided by the app or support, then verify the console's restrictions are updated. Make sure to relink the Parental Controls app if you plan to manage settings going forward, and document any new PINs or account changes securely. If the issue persists, ask Nintendo support to escalate and provide additional verification steps. One key troubleshooting tip: keep your proof of purchase and account email handy. Support often needs them to authorize changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.